took you so long?
I thought I lost you back there.
Not a chance. Thanks for getting me out of that place. Let's move! We can get up through the...
Hostile spotted. She's alone. Move out. Make it quick.
All right. Got to find a way out of here.
Sweep and clear every room. We have to fight. This one was yours. We've got to fight. Keep looking.
Lara, the train yard is on the north end of the Gulag. I'll wait for you there.
On my way.
Strange being...
Damn. Got to get out of here.
Tear this place apart.
A military patch for Trinity. There.
As we...
Is that you, Jacob?
Lara, be careful. They're everywhere. You'll run into some trouble.
There he is! Take him out!
Damn it!
Shit! For the...
Keep her down!
Got your back! I got a hit! Under fire!
He's hit! Light her up! Moving into cover! Advancing cover! Moving into position! Advancing cover! Got a hit! Fire in the hole! Taking casualties! I got it! Throwing a grenade! I'm out! Cover me! Grenade out! Grenade out! Light her up! Taking fire! Give me cover and fire! I got you covered! Got her! Keep firing!
Hostile spotted. She's alone. Move out. Make it quick.
Advancing! Cover me! Take her out! Taking fire! Taking tank, please!
As we push deep...
Jacob, I think I'm close to the train yard. Are you there? A badge of rank in a military order. Another Soviet plaque. Enemies must answer for their crimes. Bit grim.
What took you so long?
I thought I lost you back there.
Not a chance. Thanks for getting me out of that place. Let's move! We can get up through Take it easy. Drink this. It'll help.
You could have left me in that river.
Would you have left me?
I'd have thought about it.
What makes you think I didn't? So what makes you risk so much to come here?
The divine source.
I know what you're looking for. But I want to know why.
When I was young, it was just my father and I. He was an archaeologist too. In his last years, he was obsessed with myths about immortality. Of course, no one believed him, including me. Our last conversation was a fight. He took his own life. I thought I'd come to terms with it, but
Something else happened.
then I saw something that I thought was impossible. It changed everything. I realized my father was right. He died alone and broken, but he died for something.
So you believe the divine source is real?
I honestly don't know. But if there is any truth to it, I have to find out. It needs to be researched and studied. It could make a difference to the world. It's not something to be hidden away.
A difference is not always for the best. Would you wish Trinity to have the secret to immortality?
Of course not.
Then I would ask you not to abandon your quest, but to alter its path. Join me and my people. Help us repel Constantine and Trinity.
Then after that's done,
And you leave our valley untouched. But knowing that you've done the right thing.
no. I'm sorry. I can't do that.
Can't. Or won't.
I'll fight Trinity with you, but my goal remains the same. If I give up now,
You'd feel like you'd be letting him down.
not just him. I need answers, Jacob. I need to understand. You're leaving.
Right now, my concern is for my village. It's over the mountain pass. A day's journey on foot. But there may be a faster way through the old copper mine. You rest. I'll be back soon.
Jacob, are you there? Damn it. Where is he?